Ladies and gentlemen, this is Restaurant Palki. Indian food is more than a meal. It is a story of tradition, family, and hospitality. Each dish is prepared with authentic spices, care, love, and respect for our roots. Bringing the true taste of India to your table. This is the only place in Old Montreal, 56 Rue Notre Dame, Old Montreal. At Palki, we don't just serve food, we share culture, warmth, and togetherness. Thank you for being with us and enjoy your journey of flavor at Palki. Thank you so much.